Good day. Welcome to another series of Mathematics Just Got Easier with DR Tutors. In today's class, we are going to be learning about another rule in cyclic geometry. We have a cyclic quadrilateral on the board. How do we know this is a cyclic quadrilateral? Now, a cyclic quadrilateral is any quadrilateral which can be drawn with four vertices touching a cycle. For example, this is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has four sides. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how is it a cyclic quadrilateral? When you have the four vertices, this vertex is touching a cycle, this vertex is touching a cycle, this vertex is touching a cycle, and this vertex is touching a cycle. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So, and the rule says that opposite angles in a quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. That is, opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. That is, A plus C gives 180 degrees. B plus D equals 180 degrees because opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral sum to 180 degrees. Let's take a look at the example we have on the board. We have a cyclic quadrilateral with all the four vertices touching a cycle. Now, we have angle 111 degrees, and with 4 degrees, angle X and angle Y. So, to get angle Y and to get angle X, that's what the question asks us to do. So, how do we find angle Y? Since we have learned the rule that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees, so that would be Y, which is opposite 111 degrees, add up to 180 degrees. Angle Y will be 180 minus 111 degrees. So we subtract 111 degrees from 180 degrees. We have angle Y to be equals to 69 degrees. Now, let's try to get angle X. Likewise, X is opposite 84 degrees, and opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So, X plus 84 is equals to 180 degrees. So X will be equals to 180 minus 84 degrees. So X will be equals to 96 degrees. So Y is 69 degrees, X is 96 degrees. So a cyclic quadrilateral is any quadrilateral which has all the four vertices touching a cycle. And opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.